With Primetime channels, you can browse and watch official movies, TV shows, and live content on YouTube from your favorite networks without needing a YouTube TV membership. Let's walk through how to sign up and watch Primetime channels on YouTube. To sign up for a Primetime channel from your desktop or smart TV, go to the left-hand menu, then Movies and TV. On a computer, you can also go directly to youtube.com/movies. To sign up from your phone, go to the U tab, then Movies and TV. From here, you can browse the available Primetime channels and select your desired network. Tap Sign Up to complete your purchase. You can also find Primetime channel content using the YouTube search bar. Just type in the name of a specific movie, show, or the network itself. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll see a Sign Up button directly on the channel page. Note that the networks available for purchase with YouTube Primetime channels are subject to change. After signing up, you can easily find your content. Go to Movies and TV and select the Purchased tab to see the networks and content you've signed up for. You can also access your content directly through your Subscriptions tab or by simply using the search bar to find a specific movie or show. Now let's go over how to manage your Primetime channel membership. From your phone, tap your profile picture, then go to Settings, then Purchases and Memberships. From a desktop, you can go to your profile picture, then Settings, then Membership, or go to youtube.com/paid_memberships. Here you'll see all of the Primetime channels that you've purchased. If you want to make any changes to your membership or cancel the service, tap the network and follow the instructions. If you're an existing YouTube TV subscriber, you can also purchase Primetime channels to watch additional content on top of your YouTube TV plan. If you want to learn more about Primetime channels on YouTube, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.